In ancient India, there lived an old king called Dasharat. In his wisdom, he had decided to hand over his crown to his eldest son, Rama. Rama was the son of the king's first wife, and was courageous, just, and good. The people wanted nothing more than for Rama and his beautiful wife Sita to be their king and queen. One day, the old king told his youngest wife of his wish to hand his crown to Rama. But a wicked sorceress had poisoned the queen's mind with jealousy. She asked the king why he had not chosen her son to inherit the throne. Now, many years earlier, the young queen had courageously saved the king's life. In gratitude, he had promised her 2 wishes. It was now, in her corrupted eyes, that she saw her chance to use them. She demanded that Rama be exiled to the forest for 14 years, and that her own son, Bharat, be crowned king. The king kept his word, and, with great sorrow, he granted her wishes. Shortly afterwards, he died, broken-hearted. Loyal Rama honored his father's promise to the queen, and went into the forest in exile, joined by Sita and his half-brother Lakshman. The queen's own son, Bharat, was ashamed of his mother's demands. He refused to take the crown for himself, and, as a symbol, he placed Rama's slippers on the throne. In the forest, Rama and Lakshman won many victories over evil forces. Word spread of their strength and courage, infuriating a wicked 10-headed tyrant named Ravan. So Ravan devised a vicious plan to kidnap Sita and thus destroy Rama. Since he knew that Rama loved to hunt, Ravan sent an exquisite golden deer to cross his path. Rama pursued the deer, following it silently into the thick trees. Sita was in another part of the forest when she heard a noise. She sent Lakshman to look for her husband. Before he left, Lakshman drew a magic circle around Sita and warned her not to step out of it. This gave the evil demon Ravan his chance. Disguised as a holy man, begging for charity, he approached her. Sita wanted to help the poor man, and instantly stepped out of the circle. Thus Ravan took his chance, snatching the helpless Sita. He then fled to the island of Lanka, and imprisoned her in his castle. When Rama discovered what had happened, he and Lakshman went in pursuit of Ravan. Hanuman, the god of the monkeys, came to Rama's assistance with all of his followers. Rama slew the devil Ravan with an arrow aimed straight at his heart. Throwing open the doors of the castle, he rescued his beloved Sita, and they returned to their kingdom. The people rejoiced to see Rama crowned at last, lighting his path with rows of lights. Evil had been overcome, and goodness reigned again in the land.